Vizio Smart TV plus Nintendo Switch 2 equals to big screen gaming. Here's how to connect your Switch and set everything up for best performance in less than a minute. What you'll need to connect your Switch to the TV is the Switch 2 dock. Open the back compartment, plug in the HDMI cable, the other end of which will go into your TV, and don't skip the power cable. Now put the cover back on, and simply place your Switch 2 into the dock. So now you'll need to detach the Joy-Cons and use it the way you like. I always go with the grip. Your Vizio TV should switch to the input right away. If it doesn't, then make sure you can see the green light on the dock, and then to go to your Switch 2, just click on the input button, and you should see Switch 2 written instead of HDMI. Just select that input, and boom. Now that your Switch is connected, you'll need to check some very important settings. So, select System Settings, scroll down and go to Display, make sure the resolution is selected to 4K, enable 120Hz, and last but not least, go to the very bottom of the list, select Adjust HDR, and set it up carefully. This will ensure you get the best possible experience while gaming on your Switch 2 on the Vizio TV. And that's about it. Let us know if you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more.